Number 1. You see his signs often. If recently you have been seeing Lord Shiva's symbols and the little things that represent him more often, this might be a sign that he is closer to you than he was before or that he has his eyes on you. If you have been seeing things like a Trishul, or the sign Om, or his murtis, or if you regularly hear his bhajans out of the blue, these are known to be some signs of his presence. Their presence in your life serves as a reminder of Lord Shiva's influence in your daily life. Number 2. You feel protected. If you have been an ardent devotee of Shiva and you feel like since your devotion and concentration improved, you have been less in trouble, or that whenever you were in trouble there was always a protective guiding force behind you, this might be another sign of his presence. Feeling a protective force during challenging moments is a sign that Lord Shiva may be supporting you. It's a type of assurance, a sense that you are not alone in difficult times. Number 3. You are more calm and composed. One of the most talked about qualities of Shiva was that even though he had great difficulties, he was the epitome of being calm for the majority of the time. And so, if you notice a shift in your concentration and you feel like you have a newfound sense of calmness in you, this might be a sign that it is Shivji's influence on you. It is your devotion and his happiness that has made you a better and more composed person. Number 4. You have his dreams. In our world, dreams and visions play a very important part. Dreams can make or break a person. And if recently you have been seeing Shivji quite often in your dreams, or if you have visions of him, this might be a sign that he is closer to you than you think. Devotees of Lord Shiva often share accounts of seeing him in their dreams or visions. These experiences and these dreams are like a way of the divine powers telling you that you are on the right path of both devotion and life. Number 5. Material desires don't hold you back anymore. It is said that when you pray to Shiva and when you worship him with all your heart, you start to develop his traits and attributes. It is almost as if you are on the path to becoming one with him. And one of the traits of Shivji was his detachment from worldly desires and needs. Lord Shiva's teachings include detachment from material desires. And so, if you find yourself naturally letting go of an excessive focus on material possessions, this might be a sign of you being closer to him and your path to devotion. Number 6. You catch yourself repeating his name and mantra. If the name Shiva or Mahadev brings you immense peace and you feel at ease when you remember him, this might be a sign that you are close to him. If you catch yourself regularly chanting Lord Shiva's name or mantra throughout your day, it shows that you have a sincere connection with him. This devotion becomes a part of your daily life and is a reminder of Lord Shiva's presence and support.